Hi, we are Group 6, and we are going to be talking about our portable chargers. So we were in the Tower of Terror line for our first location because we rode it 4 times, and we saw that there were a lot of people on their phone while waiting for that ride because it is such a popular attraction. So we were there during the daytime, so the sun was out, therefore our brightness on our phone had to be a lot higher, making our battery percentage go down a lot faster. Therefore, our portable chargers will be a huge use around those big attractions, where the line will be waiting outside most of the time.
Yeah, to kind of build on what Jaden said, we visited with some of the other customers around us and asked them what their battery percentage was, and it ranged anywhere from 25% to 90%. So that just shows, it was at 12 o'clock, by the way, so they still had a whole afternoon of phone use and communication that they needed battery percentage for. Also, we believe our stand should be manned. The current portable charger stands are completely automated. There's no actual person there, and we think that kind of takes away from the, what would you call it?
The
Experience of it. So we think putting someone there will just create another touch point where somebody will, from the Disney Institute, will kind of make that experience better and more memorable. So we think manning it will totally create a better experience for the customers.
The second location that we thought we could put a Mickey Mouse shaped portable charger kiosk is in Star Wars Land, outside of arguably the most popular ride right now and pretty new and recent, the Rise of Resistance. We noticed that the wait time is typically between an hour and 2 hours just because it is a new attraction and people want to try it out for the first time. And so that means that they're going to be on their phones for longer. And also they're going to be more willing to pull out their phones to take pictures because they've never seen it before and it hasn't been here for years. So that's going to be more use of phones and more batteries dying. So they're going to want to recharge their phones at the end of the ride.
And lastly, in addition to the longer wait times in the new Star Wars rides, we noted that there was a Coca-Cola stand right outside the Star Wars ride that was actually themed like Star Wars. So the little Coke cooler was shaped like R2-D2, and the bigger cooler was shaped like another droid. So it was super cool thinking how you could still create a stand that actually blended in with the theme of the entire ride. So our idea was to do something very similar, and outside of these Star Wars rides or Avatar rides, put something that really fits into the theme of the actual ride itself, really just continuing the story on for the guests to make it one seamless experience.